What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another Halloween makeup tutorial. So we are going to be doing a creepy clown today, and I'm over here showing you guys my cute Hello Kitty headband. So let's go ahead and start off with painting our faces white. We're just gonna cover it all up using the Athena palette. To be honest, you guys, I had no idea what I was going to do for this look. There was no reference photos for this, and I was just like, right, I need to come up with something because I'm running out of ideas. But okay, don't you think that the eyeshadow is giving Black Swan? I kind of think so. But yeah, over here I'm just like winging it out. I have no idea what I'm doing at this point. Obviously, for the brows, we are going to do something very exaggerated and very I would say surprised. Like, yeah, these brows are giving surprised look for days. So now I'm just outlining the mouth area, but this low-key looks like a little mustache. Isn't it so cute? I didn't want my mouth to go all the way back to like where my ears are. I want to do something a little bit more smaller. Okay, this is where it kind of messed up a bit. I felt like I should have added the gums first and then my teeth. Or I don't know, maybe it's the other way around, but I felt like it was easier that way. For the gums, I recommend using like a lighter pink. For some reason, I decided to go with the same shade of red that I used for the lips. That was another big mistake, and like I said earlier, I had no idea how I was going to do this look, so I was a little bit all over the place for this. Reason why I added the white onto the gums is because I wanted it to be a lighter pink. Yeah, so I didn't like where it was going, but in camera it looked like straight up white gums, but I swear to you that in person they were pink. So it's kind of hard to tell on here. Now we almost forgot to do this part. I needed to contour, not contour, but add some shading onto the face because it just looked plain. And I definitely almost forgot to do this part too. You needed to add the little clown nose on top of it because yeah, that's very, very important. We are basically done with this look. Let's slap some exaggerated lashes and voila, we are done. Thank you guys for sticking around, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.